In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to turn off Proofpoint Essentials in GoDaddy. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow steps on how to properly disable Proofpoint Essentials on GoDaddy. So to do this, you will have to visit a specific web interface. Make sure that you are signed into your GoDaddy account, and afterwards, all that you have to do is go over to the Exchange Admin Center. To disable this, access the Exchange Admin Center in Exchange Online, and once you are properly signed into your account, using the menu at the left side of the screen, go over to Mailflow. In there, you will be able to see a comprehensive list of connections currently established, and all that you have to do is select Rules. Once you choose Rules, you will find GD Encryption Transport Rule. Make sure that you highlight that specific one and toggle the Disable Rule switch. Once it is properly disabled, you should be good to go. Now, you will be able to completely disable Proofpoint Essentials from any GoDaddy email address that you have, and it is extremely simple to do through Exchange Online. If this doesn't work, or it keeps coming back, then what you can try to do instead is talk to the support. This is because it's an automatic thing done by GoDaddy, and a lot of users are not satisfied with the implementation of Proofpoint Essentials. So if the issue still persists and you are unable to get rid of it by yourself, go over to the Help Center and find a way to talk to them over here. You will be able to select Contact Us and describe the issue that you are having regarding the Proofpoint Essentials trouble. They will be able to assist you and remove manually for you if you are unable to access Exchange Online and change the rules from there. I hope I was able to help you on how to turn off Proofpoint Essentials GoDaddy. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.